The Vascular Tissue Challenge wants to make a piece of tissue.
Vascularized tissue is a composite type of tissue. It has more than one sort of cell in it.
There need to be blood vessels throughout this tissue that are integrated fully with the organ tissue.
We've seen some great successes in the development of tissue engineering products.
We are making some progress with regard to vascularization. We're beginning to understand the signals that are necessary to switch on cells to become blood vessels.
If we could create vascularized tissue, we could create whole organs. In order to successfully grow whole organs, it'll be essential that we further develop these technologies.
Putting all those together is really the holy grail. That's what we're looking to do.
And the Vascular Tissue Challenge is an essential step that will help to address that issue.
This is definitely possible.